Hello guys, now I want to explain about welding inspection document and guide. First of all, the definition of welding inspection document code. What is welding inspection document code? American Welding Society AWSD 1.1 Structural Welding Standard Code. For welding inspection documents, for example, still contain provision describing minimum requirements for each of these elements, and documentation is required to each of these elements is in the AWS code most commonly applicable to welding type structures. Next, we move to the objective and general data welding inspection documents. What is objective welding inspection document? First, making it easy for reader to understand basic welding inspection. Second, describe the welding inspection in detail and compact. Third, to show the procedure for filling out the welding inspection form. Fourth, to help you explain and understand code and standard easily. What is general data need for qualification documents? Documentation qualification aside with welding construction field into three broad categories as follows. First, materials. Second, welding procedures. Third, qualification of personnel. In this more specific detail required in welding inspection document type. The welding data need for welding inspection documents. The topic of welding documentation must also include discussion of inspection and associated repository. Minimum requirements for documentation are specific in AWS code, but distribution and review of the documentation is not specific. Some of the documentation contain information that only reviewed by inspection agency. However, review involves elements of responsibility and distribution is time-consuming and costly. Therefore, description is required to review should be performed efficiently. A certificate project may deserve more documentation, distribution, and review. In this table below, welding element and document, material certificate and conformance and manufacturing literature, personal welder qualification test continuity procedure, welding procedure certification and previous qualification test record, element for inspection, procedure certificate of compliance with inspector qualification program, personal practical practice and inspection report. Next, to the welding data for welding inspection documents. What is welding data record? The document welding data record reference during welding tests also extract data to the procedure qualifications record PQR, the requirement in AWS D1.1. In these examples, welding data record indicate for welder inspector. This is an example template welding data record. What is the performance qualification test record? In performance qualification test record got two type process: welding single process and multiple process. In welding single process, for welding process, gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW) and thin material. Welding multi-process for shear arc welding (SMAW), gas metal arc welding (GMAW), flux core arc welding pakau, and the thick materials. This is a document template example for multi-process performance qualification test. This is a example template for single process performance qualification test. What is welding inspection procedure checklist? Welding inspection prior to welding work, welding symbols, and welding size clearly specified in drawing, and weld joint design and dimension clearly specified in drawings, and related documents well magnify the welding procedure. Specification WPS to be used for specific weld joints. This example template for checklist welding data. Okay, we move to the next part in ASME section 9. Terms and instructions for filling up the documents. In this part, I will explain about ASME section 9 documents. Term and instruction documents ASME section 9. There are 3 steps involved document in ASME section 9. The first for the preparation of welding procedure specification WPS. The second for the preparation of WPS and documentation of that. Qualification on procedure qualification record PQR. The third for the qualification of the weld performance and the documentation of qualifications on welders. Performance qualification WPQ record. These 3 documents, however, are intermixed with ASME section 9. The code use must know which of these 3 documents is being considered at all times. The ASME section 9 will do a great service to industry produce 3 separate codes. The first step requires the code used to prepare welding procedure qualification WPS. The WPS must contain the minimum requirements that are specified by the reference code. The WPS is intended to provide guide for welding by specific range of variables. The WPS must be supported by procedure qualification record PQR. The second step requires the code used to qualify the WPS welding procedure. Qualification test coupon. The code used must record the variable test used and must certify the test and test result on PQR. The third step requires the code used to qualify the performance of the welder. By welding performance qualification test coupon, the code used must record the variable and test list specific the variable range qualified and must certify the test and test result on welder performance qualification WPQ record. This example template procedure qualification format ASME section 9. So I really hope that you guys will understand a little bit about welding inspection documents and guide. Actually, there are more other type of welding documentations, inspections and guide and type format in ASME section 9. I just explained the basic terms and requirements only. So if you guys want to know more about welding inspections document, you guys can search at Google welding inspections document or at YouTube. There will be more complete information about welding inspections document Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe at channel Welding UTeM. That's all. Thank you.